When adding cliparts to our composition, we need to consider some aspects to get the most out of them. Try to avoid adding too many cliparts. They can oversaturate our composition, as you can see here. Instead, try to focus on just a few of them. Keep in mind that our pictures are the main elements, and cliparts have to work as a complement. Choose wisely where to place your cliparts. Try to avoid placing them over important parts of our photos, like that. Cliparts should help our composition. You can take advantage of the empty spaces to place them and place with the size. Try to avoid using unrelated cliparts. It's a good idea to use cliparts related to the topic and following a chromatic harmony between all the elements of your composition. And here it is, our final design with our tips applied. Let's see the comparison. If you want to be sure all these points are covered in a very fast way, we recommend you to use our design lines to find groups of cliparts with the same topic and style already placed on the layout. These are our tips. Now it's your turn. Enjoy!